In this video, we'll be looking at the Internet Browser button found in Toolbar 2 and Toolbar 1. The Internet Browser button allows us to put a browser from the Internet directly into our notebook page. We can use this for research. So if the students are looking to research on the Internet to help answer questions, they don't have to go between notebook and a browser. They can actually have the browser on the same page. All they'll do is type it in. They can bring on their on-screen keyboard and go look at the page and have a look at it. Firstly, let's see how we insert the Internet Browser onto our page. There's two options. You can either have the icon that you've inserted onto your toolbar by right-clicking on Toolbar 2 or by going to the little settings here, clicking on it and dragging in the Internet Browser. The other way is to simply click Insert, go down to Internet Browser and click on that, and that'll insert a browser. The browser is an object that's free to move, so we're able to move it, resize it, and position it anywhere we want. Remember, the smaller it is, the smaller the font will be from the website that you're looking at. You can bring up your on-screen keyboard and you can go and type in what you're looking for. And that'll bring up the different pages. Or you could simply type if you're at your computer and bring in a page. You then have your scroll buttons. So I can go to my previous page just like a browser, or I can go back to that page. I can refresh the page and I can move these tools to the top or the bottom. The last one I want to show you is the pin. So we can pin this browser. It acts kind of like a home page. So if you want a specific page to pop up, you will then click on that button, and every time you want it, you will then go back to it. So I've clicked my pin page. Now I want to go look at a different page. Click enter, doing a bit of research, but then I want to go back to my home page. I click on the pin page with the arrow, and that takes me back to the first page I've set here. Let's have a look at an example. Here I have a few questions on dinosaurs, and my internet browser is a Wikipedia page that I put in there. Every time I go to that page, it will refresh that page. So it'll bring up the information again that I've been using. So here's my page. I can scroll up and down exactly like a browser. The difference is I don't have to go out of Notebook and to my internet browser and back. Some of the great features are we can actually copy the text that's on there. So the question I asked the students here is, what clade do dinosaurs come from? And in the first sentence, it tells me that. So I can copy that, copy it, paste it, and then drag it into my answer. Another great option is you can drag pictures directly from the website to the page. So it asked me to insert a picture of a dinosaur. Pick my picture and drag it in. If I want another one, and drag it in. Remember the referencing rules. If you are going to be borrowing and designing your lessons using this method, remember to reference where you got these pictures and information from. A great little tool. Remember, we just insert it in there, we can resize it, and we can go and search for our pages, and we can use it like an active website. So we can click on all the links, takes us to the next one. You can click on this link, takes us to the next one. But when we want to get back to the home page or the first page we've used, because I pinned that page, I just click on the arrow and it takes me back to my first page. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.